Hello everyone, welcome to Uma Fun Work. Today I have a riddles and puzzles for you. Let's move on to our question 1. What am I? You bury me when I am alive. You dig me up when I die. Let's have a timer. Let's see the answer. A plant. We can bury the plant when it's alive and we dig the plant when it's died. Let's move on to our next question. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. 2 plus 5 equal to 12. 3 plus 6 equal to 21. 8 plus 11 equal to what? Can you guess it? What is the logic behind this puzzle? Let's have a timer. Let's see the answer. The first set 1 plus 4 equal to 5. In the second set 2 plus 5 equal to 12, which is here. So we need to see 2 plus 5 becomes 7. And then we need to add the first result set answer. The first result set answer is 5. So 7 plus 5 it becomes 12. Again the third set 3 plus 6 equal to 9. We need to add the second set answer 12. So 9 plus 12 which becomes 21. Again 8 plus 11 equal to 19 plus we need to add the third set answer 21. So 19 plus 21 which becomes 40. So here 8 plus 11 which is equal to 40 is the right answer. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 3. 8, 6, 2 equal to 24. 6, 9, 3 equal to 18. 4, 7, 1 equal to 28. Then 2, 9, 2 equal to what? Can you guess the answer? Let's have a timer. Let's see the answer. So, our first set 8, 6, 2 equal to 24. We need to consider like the first two numbers 8 and 6. We need to multiply the first two number. The result we need to divide this third number. So 8 into 6, 8 6 are 48 divided by the third number 2. So which becomes 24. Again 6 into 9, 6 9s are 54 divided by 3 which becomes 18. Again 4 into 7, 4 7s are 28 divided by 1 which becomes 28. Now this question, 2 into 9 becomes 18. 18 divided by 2, it becomes 9. So 9 is the answer for this puzzle. Hope you all got it. Let's move on to our next question. Solve this. We have sandwich, sandwich plus sandwich plus sandwich equal to 90. And we have bread plus sandwich equal to 70. And Coke tin plus sandwich plus Coke tin becomes 40. And Coke tin plus sandwich plus bread, what? Can you able to guess this? Let's have a timer. Let's see the answer. So sandwich plus sandwich plus sandwich equal to 90. So 90, we need to divide 90 by 3 sandwich, which becomes 30. So sandwich of each sandwich, the value is 30. So 30 plus 30 plus 30, which becomes 90. So second, we have bread plus sandwich equal to 70. So we know the value of sandwich is 30. So we don't know the value of bread. So here we have two breads. Two breads plus the sandwich value is 30 equal to 70. So we need to subtract 70 minus 30, which becomes 40. So the two bread value equal to 40. So the single bread value becomes 20. So 20 plus sandwich value 30 becomes 70. So we found the value of sandwich is 30 and we found the value of bread becomes 20. Now we need to find the value of Coke. So Coke tin plus sandwich plus Coke tin becomes 40. So we know the value of sandwich is 30. So we have two Coke tin here. So each Coke tin carries the value 5. So 5 plus 30 plus 5, which becomes 40. So we can easily able to calculate this last line, right? Coke tin is 5 plus sandwich is 30 plus bread become 20. So it is totally 55. So 55 is the answer for this puzzle. Let's move on to our next puzzle. Find the number 9 equal to 90, 8 equal to 72, 7 equal to 56, 6 equal to 42, 3 equal to, we need to find it, what is the number? So let's have a timer. Let's see the answer. So 9 equal to 90, which is nothing but 9 tens are 90. 8 equal to 72. 8 nines are 72. 7 equal to 56. 7 eights are 56. 6 equal to 42. 6 sevens are 42. And 3 equal to, we need to find 3 into 6, which becomes 18. The first number we are multiplying with 10 and sequentially we are reducing one by one, and at last the 3 we are multiplying with 6 and it becomes 18. So 18 is the answer for this puzzle. Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much. Bye.